Assalamualaikum. 4.2 is the integration by substitution, part C, which is function containing the exponential function. So this is exponential function, either a power x, e power x, and also ln x. So let's discuss example E and also F, page 198. Okay, so first is example E. Integration of e power 3 sed x over sed x dx. So usually we take the inner function of the composite function as u. So here u is equal to 3 sed x. So differentiate u with respect to x. Sed x is x power half. So du dx is equal to 3 times x power 2 x power index minus 1. And then simplify. So here we can see that du dx is equal to 3 over 2 x square root of x. Alright, so compare with the question. From the question we can see that we have dx over square root of x. So make 1 over sed x dx as our subject. So rearrange so that we get 2 over 3 du is equal to 1 over sed x dx. Okay, 1 over sed x dx, 1 over sed x dx is 2 over 3 du. So integrate u power 3x is u. Okay, so now take out 2 over 3 because this is constant. So integrate u power u du. So integration of u power u, we get e power u plus c because this is indefinite integral. So the answer for e is, after back substitution, is 2 over 3 e to the power of 3 sed x plus c. Okay, next look at question F. So there is errata for the question. E power 2x change to e power x. So now the question is integration of e power x square root of 1 minus e power x dx. This is the question, new question. So this is composite function. Alright, so the inner function is 1 minus e power x. So make it as u. So differentiate u with respect to x. So we get negative e power x. Okay, and then compare with the given question. Given question we have e power x and also dx. Okay, e power x and also dx. Alright, so e power x dx is equal to negative du. From here, we arrange, we get e power x dx is equal to negative u. So now, from the question, e power x dx is equal to negative du. Okay, negative du. Right? This is e power x dx. And then square root of 1 minus e power x is square root of u. So integrate, and then after that, back substitution. Okay, back substitution. Okay, so this is the final answer. Thank you.